Good morning, guys. I'm so sick right now. I'm gonna be honest. I've completely lost my voice. But guys, we don't care, right? We're back home. Finally, I've been talking about this moment for so long. Excuse me, guys, to come back home. And we're here. We're locked in, ready to make money. And I'm so happy to be back in front of my setup. And yeah, this is obviously where all the best trades happen. So we're back in routine, and it's time to work hard and get a bag, right? But anyways, guys, how's everybody doing? Who's here? If you guys have just joined, hit that like button before we start stream, and I will be breaking down the charts, right? Let's see if we get any setups. Can you guys hear me good? Is everything good? I think it looks good on my side. But yeah, it looks good. I do apologize, guys, for my voice. I don't know what happened. 2 days ago, as I made my way home, I just got so sick. But yeah. So let's we'll break down the chart soon. I am on the daily chart, right? We're on the daily chart, and we're going to see what we have. Price is literally doing exactly what I thought it would do. It's crazy. Like we spoke about at the beginning of last week, right? Quick little let me just, yeah. If you look at the chart, last week I said after grabbing these lows to the left, if we start breaking back above EMA, we're most likely going to run for all-time highs. And since we've grabbed these lows, we got back above that EMA, and we've been holding above, absolutely buying. We had a minor pullback into EMA. Now we're pushing higher again. Okay? Bullish, guys. I am bullish. Dan, good morning, brother. Mimi, Red Fox, good morning, guys. Good morning. So, with that being said, let's get into it, right? Firstly, before we get into it, how was everyone's week last week? Obviously, I traded very minimal as I was in Ibiza. I did, obviously, when was it? It was on Thursday. We took a really good trade on stream together. It was a win. Made like $500 or something. How about you guys, Dan? How was your week last week? How's everybody's week? Okay, so let's get into it, guys. So daily time frame, the breakdown is very straightforward today. Okay, very straightforward. As I can see, we're above the EMA, right? We're pushing higher, like we're making highs, right? So looking at, let's not go all the way back. Let's just go back a few days. So we have Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Okay, since Wednesday we had that pullback, right? What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna zoom up a bit here. The first target I'm going to look for this daily candle to run into is going to be Wednesday's high. Okay. Now, why do I say that? Because today opened. Up, right? And we created a bottom wick, and we're already pushing for the new high. So I'm going to target that 30,200 area, 30,100 area. Okay. So if I'm going to look for longs now, I'm going to look to keep buying up into Wednesday's highs. Okay. Something else I'm going to do, I'm going to mark off the daily open where today opened. I think that's important for today as well. Okay, let's make this dashed. Okay, so we got that daily open as well right now. So price is above the daily open. We bullish. Buyers are in control. Looks as if we're pushing for the high, Wednesday's high. Okay, so far I am bullish on the daily time frame. Okay. 4 hourly. Oh shit, we got all these lines from last week. 4 hourly. I'm just neating this up, guys, a bit. Sorry. Okay. Okay, yeah, so for hourly, we can see we're above the EMA as well. We actually had a really beautiful inside bar break to the upside at that open and now we have been pushing higher since. So looking at this now, right, we maybe can have a pullback, but as long as we stay above the daily opening print, I'm going to be bullish, okay? So from the opening print to Wednesday's high, I'm bullish in this area, okay? So 4 hourly, candles are quite small. There's not so much volume though. The hourly, however, yo, this is so annoying. The chart just keeps resetting itself. I don't know why. Let me just make sure I can see that. Okay, sweet. So hourly, okay. We have what I'm gonna label now, so things are a bit more clearer. So we got the close. 1 second. Interesting. Oh, whatever. Doesn't matter. Okay. Hourly above the EMA as well. We keep tapping it and pushing higher, tapping and pushing higher. The current hourly is pulling back. So if I am going to look for longs, guys, I'm going to go on that lower time frame. What's the time now? The time is 22 past 10. So I'm going to go on the lower time frame and see if we get some sort of maybe inside bar, like a 15-minute, or rejection of the EMA to maybe continue higher. But it wouldn't surprise me if price pulls back a bit right now to continue higher, right? Sorry guys, my voice is so messed up right now. Morning guys, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Something else I'm going to mark off. We have a very beautiful key level sitting over here. Okay, we got a really nice key level. Very nice key level sitting at the 30,000 area as well that we can buy up into. I don't have any key levels below right now that I'm a fan of. This is too choppy. There's too many wicks. There's nothing right now. If I am going to take a long, guys, it's going to be purely off an EMA. I'm not going to buy off any levels, right? Price has, however, bounced off this opening print. It wicked it and then it went higher, which can be considered as a level. But I'm just going to be trying to trade this trend right now, okay, with the EMA higher. So with that being said, I'm going to jump to that 15 minute. And yeah, that's it. I'm just going to look for entries right now to go higher. I'm not going to talk so much, guys. I need to try to save my voice a bit because it's killing me. But yeah. I'm just zooming up a bit so things are clearer. And this is the 15-minute time frame, okay? We have opening print lower down here. We have the opening print down here. The price is above. We're above the EMA. Keep making higher highs and higher lows. If we can continue higher, I will target the 30,000 key level and potentially Wednesday's high. Simple. Daily bias is bullish. Target previous day highs and key levels. That's it, right? Use the EMA with that. So I'm just checking the chat now, guys. Checking the chat. Bro, you're not sick again, are you? I don't know. I wasn't sick for a while. I was, guys, before I went to Ibiza, I was on an antibiotic. And obviously that messed with my immune system a bit. And I just got sick when I was there. Are you on the detox after Ibiza? Of course, yeah. Of course I am. But guys, anyways, let's not talk about being sick. We don't care. We don't care. We're here to make money, right? I don't care. Being sick isn't going to stop me from making money with you guys. So I got the Ibiza flu. Fuck, yeah. I won't lie, guys. 5 days in Ibiza, really, I wouldn't suggest that. Like, it's too much. Huh? I would never do that again. My next holiday, I am going to Cape Town, South Africa in November for 3 weeks. I'm going back home for 3 weeks in November. And then next year, June, is my wedding. And then for my honeymoon, I'm most likely going to go to Bali or something. Or Thailand. But no more partying. I've retired. I have retired, guys, from the party life. Ibiza was trauma. Guys, by the way, I met Martin Garrix. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I promise you guys, it was crazy. I actually met Martin Garrix. I got a photo with him. It was the craziest experience. After watching Martin Garrix, we were walking outside of the show. He was actually exiting the venue inside, getting in his van, and I happened to cross him at the right time. And I won't lie, I was a bit of a fanboy. I ran up to him. I'm like, bro, can I please have a picture? Martin Garrix, guys, is one of the nicest people I've ever met when it comes to these famous guys. They are so nice. He was so nice. I tried to tell him, like, you know, you want to come watch my streams, come learn to trade. I promise you, I asked him the most random question. I asked him, Martin, do you trade? Like, obviously he doesn't, but fuck, it was funny. Oh, Gary, you from SA? I forgot, bro. I need to have a beer with Daniel first. I was supposed to. Oh, by the way, Dan, I might be going to Strasbourg again next month for 1 week. It's not confirmed. My fiance, she's going for tattooing. I might go. It's not confirmed yet, but if I go, I'm gonna let you know. We have a dinner because yeah, fuck. I'm thinking of coming through to get some tattoos, but I'm not too sure just yet. Okay, price is right now, guys. Looking at NQ right now, we are consolidating a bit. We are we're in a bit of a range right now, so we need to kind of break out of it. So if I was to take a long, what I would like to see is a inside bar, maybe break higher, or a 15-minute bullish candle. I mean, let's quickly go to that 30-minute and see what the 30-minute's doing. No. What about that 5? 30 minutes, not so. Yeah, 5 minute a bit choppy, yeah. I'm gonna stay on the 5 for now, I won't lie. Because that 15-minute is bouncing off the EMA, maybe a 5-minute closure would be entry for me to long this. Let's see, no rush. I'm very I'm patient today, guys. I'm patient. And this is the funded account, so where are you? I'm at home, guys. I'm at home. In my office. Oh. Oh, where in the world? I am, I live in the French Alps. The French Alps is where I live. I live on the border of Switzerland and I live in France. Yeah, I live in France. Yo, I don't know, my hair just ain't cooperating today. What's going on here? What is happening? Like, yeah, I'm feeling like absolute shit today. I won't lie. Like, look at this. What? Oh my god, this is so bad. Okay, then we have a 5-minute inside bar. Going to be interesting to see what it wants to do. I mean, it's not the inside bar that I'm liking. That 50. It's not the inside bar that I'm liking, though. I don't like that. Okay, it's cool. We just have to wait, huh? No, nothing. Have any of you guys taken trades today? Okay, I'm gonna go to this 15-minute quick, guys. I'm gonna stay on the 15 for now. No, you can see. Yeah, let's just stay on this 15 for now. Let's just chat and wait. There's no trade currently, guys. There's nothing currently. It's really not clean. Patrick, no trades, waiting for a move. Nice. Mimi, no. Zala, no. 1BE and long now. Oh, you're ready. Oh, Gary, you in a long right now? Where did you enter from, bro? Yeah, nothing yet for me. We are in a range. But that does not mean we're not going to break out of this. I think we will definitely break out of this range. So having a nice 5-minute green closure back above EMA would be an ideal setup potentially. We see. Candle Chaos said the price action from Wednesday last week until now has been bad. Like you couldn't get a proper entry and it has been just jumping around. Yeah, because I'll tell you why. If we go back to the daily time frame quick, Candles Chaos. Sorry, I don't know what your name is, but since last week Wednesday we've been pulling back, right? This is the thing with trading. It's like you need to understand on those days of like when the price action shit, what is it doing? Wednesday, what happened? We were pulling back. This is the Wednesday candle. We pushed higher. People were obviously trying to buy that. They got stopped out, price and pulled back into EMA. And then since then, we've been pushing back higher again. So it's that pullback after that continuation that is quite tricky, right? Because it starts jumping around everywhere. So yeah, totally. Just be aware of that's probably why. Since Wednesday we've pulled back, and now we finally looks like we're trying to push higher again. I want to visit Chamonix. Oh, Chamonix is cool, man. Actually, I don't live far. I live like an hour away from Chamonix. Okay, look, guys. Look what's happened now. Look what's happened now. The 5-minute. See, that inside bar faked out. We wicked below it, and now we've closed back above. This could be the push higher. So, yes, this does look tempting to buy this right now, and it's doing exactly what I said it would do. If we get above, break that high, now we're pushing. So this over here fuck. Let's see. We're patient, right? But this over here would kind of have been the entry to long this, right? But that didn't give me an entry. So what I'm going to do, what's the time? 35, 40. This 15-minute closes in 10 minutes. If you really want a safer entry into this long, you need to wait for this 15-minute to close bullish, and then you will trade the break of that 15-minute high. That's the safest way to long this. If you want to be more aggressive, right, go to the 5-minute. But if you want a safer entry, because we are in a bit of a range right now, you need to wait for this 15-minute to close, right? You love how patient I am. I appreciate that. Listen, being patient, I find being patient the most fun part about trading, because it's so fucking rewarding. Like, I promise you, I love being patient. Like, sometimes I won't lie, I do get a little bit impatient, but majority of the time it's the patience that pays me every time. So I get excited to be patient, because every time I'm like, okay, cool, I know what I need to wait for. I'll wait for it, and then when I'm right, it's so rewarding every time. Let's see, guys, on this 5-minute, it's going to close in 3 minutes. So I'm going to wait 3 minutes, and I might look to enter this long. Sorry, guys, again, if you've just jumped on stream, I lost my voice. I'm quite sick right now. Cham is stunning. Oh, Chamonix is stunning. Where I live is so much more beautiful, I'll be honest. Chamonix is not as beautiful as where I live. I live in the real French Alps. Like, Chamonix is nowhere as beautiful where I live. I've got all the trees. The skiing where I live, it's just like really winter wonderland. On big powder days when there's a lot of snow, we snowboarding through the trees, and it's so beautiful. Chamonix doesn't have that many trees though. It's like Verbier. No, not Verbier. Chamonix is very similar to like Courchevel and those big ski resorts. You know, it's more mountain rock than there is trees. Skiing great, don't get me wrong, it's great skiing. But as a snowboarder, I like the trees. I like that because it makes it more fun. Gary closed. Nice, Gary. Okay, I'm going to slow down a bit on speaking, guys. My throat's kicking out a bit. But, yeah. Trading ski trip. I have a I'm doing a trading ski trip the beginning of next year, actually. Daniel is coming out to me for a bit to come trade with me and ski with me for a while, like a week. Daniel's like my top student though. Like, he's fucking good, huh? Like, he's so fucking good. My top student. So I've invited him out to come and come stay with me for a week, come trade, jump on stream with me, come ski. Most likely next year, February or April, in the winter. I've never seen snow. Snow's beautiful, bro. It's the most peaceful thing. Something about snow absorbs sound, so when it's snowing a lot, it's so quiet, it's so peaceful. I will never move back to South Africa ever in my life. Okay, let's see, guys. The 5-minute closed. If we break this 5-minute high, I'm gonna get in.
Order fill.
All right, that's me in. Now listen. Take this trade at your own risk, please, okay? Take it at your own risk. This is a setup that I've taken. We are in a bit of a range. Look, we've already pulled back. No, I've been drinking water and lemon all morning, bro. I won't even lie. It's so bad. It's so painful. Now, for this trade, it'll be it'll be an interesting one. Okay, I mean, usually I go for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. I mean, if I do want to hold this all the way up into Wednesday's high, that's a $2,000 trade. I'm happy with $1,000, to be honest. Okay, I'll be honest, guys. I need to make my risk a bit bigger. I want to put my stop loss under that 15-minute low. So, hold on. I'm confident though in this, I won't lie. I did wait. I did wait for it. So, this is the trade. I want a 1 to 2, right? $1,500. Let's see. It's a big trade. Yeah. Although that pullback is something I did not want to see. That was very quick. I am, however, giving myself 2 bullets though, guys. This stream. I'm giving myself 2 shots. I mean, it depends if I'm going to take the second one or not, but I've come in this morning prepared to risk $1,500 of this account. If this hits a stop loss, that's 800, so which means I have another trade to potentially take. But I don't know if I'm going to take it though. What the fuck? That was a horrible, like, as I entered, this thing puts me straight in drawdown. I'm gonna hold this, guys. I'm not gonna exit this. It is what it is. I'm so deep in drawdown already. I might as well just hit the full stop. I also know that price does keep. Nah, this might have been my worst trade I think I've taken all fucking year. Like seriously, what is that? What is that? You guys must understand something. Would I ever add more? No. On this trade, no, I wouldn't. Because I'm already in quite big. My stop is quite big as well. And I'm not greedy, you know, there's no need to be greedy. Like, I've come to understand that 10 to 15 micros is plenty. Like, you can make $1,000 a day. You know what I mean? It's a lot. This is a funded account as well. If this was a challenge account, I would probably add more if price gave me the signal to add more. But I wouldn't just add more. Like, especially if this is a funded one, you know. fuck, this is a horrible trade. That's so bad. This is why I say, guys, yes, I win my trades on stream, but like I can also lose, okay? I can also lose. So always manage your risk, and just don't copy me for the sake of copying me, okay? Before I took this trade, I said, we're in a range. It's not the best price action to trade this, but yes, I took the trade still because I like risk. But like I say, it's not over until it's over. It's not over until it's over. Until that stop loss gets hit, it's not over. My stop loss is there for a reason. Like, I don't want to see price get below that previous 15-minute low, because if it does that, we're most likely going to go lower. But if we don't break it, we might go back up. I took it too. And that's Mimi. Are you trading personal? Are you trading a practice account, or I forgot what you said. Yo, one closure back above this EMA would be good, huh? Let's see, man. Let's see if we can reject this area, because price does keep bouncing off this area, right? Oh my god, my throat. Price does keep wicking this area, like, you know what I mean? You can see it. Maybe we wick it and get back above. I was trading a real account. I took the money I needed for something. Now trading demo for practice until I get. Oh, nice, Mimi. Nice, nice. There's absolutely nothing wrong with trading a demo account just to build confidence. Absolutely nothing wrong. Like I say, don't trade them forever. The minute you can, get on a real trading account. Just because psychology inside of a demo account isn't the same, you know. Yeah, Mimi, I did. I said it's not good to trade them long, but just for a little while, if you're learning a strategy or Just trying to build some confidence. It's okay to trade for like maybe 2-3 weeks, but I wouldn't go longer than that, you know. This is just my opinion towards it, because your emotions in a demo account are non-existent. You know, you will oversize, you'll overtrade, and it won't affect you, you know, and that's so bad. I just feel demo account creates bad habits if you overtrade on them, like if you trade them too long. Fuck, this is such a horrible trade. This is so irritating. But it's not over until it's over. I really thought that rejection closure back above EMA would have broken out. But it's not over until it's over. That's what I always love to say. Just be calm, be patient, just trust your stop loss. You know, it's the best you can do in these type of situations when price action isn't doing what you want. Do you see? It's not over until it's over, guys. Look, we're coming back up above EMA. You just have to be calm. Just calm. And just let NQ do what it wants to do. There's nothing more. Guys, once you're in the trade, it's not in your hands anymore. Huh? It's in the hands of NQ. So you need to just accept that. It's so nice having my big screens back. It's so beautiful. I can see everything now. I can see everything. By the way, guys, for the people that are wanting to trade FunderPro futures, you can still use my code CAM. You get 20% off any account size, any account type. Okay, it's still valid. I think. What is the best ski mountain out there? Oof. It depends on you, huh? It depends on you if you're a snowboarder, a skier, what type of riding you want to do. I snowboard, and I'm a freestyle snowboarder, so I do a lot of park, like snow park. I do jumps and all that tricks and stuff. So for me, where I live is the best place because there's so much of that, you know, and the snow is good for that. If you're a skier and want to just go fast, the best place to be would be like Courchevel and Verbier and all of those big ones. But where I live, it's like perfect for what I do. We have such a good community of snowboarders here as well. Like, you know, so I'm actually, guys, I am tomorrow I'm actually doing a house viewing because I need to move out of my house by November, before the winter. So tomorrow we're actually going to be viewing a house which is in the center of the village I live, which is a 2-minute walk from the ski slope. It's amazing. I literally walk out my door into the slopes. It's fucking crazy. So yeah, we're gonna go look at it tomorrow. It's a beautiful apartment as well. Lovely three bedrooms. Beautiful. So let's hope it's nice. The only problem is that the fucking landlord, the landlord isn't really sure about the dog. That's the only problem. So I need to try convince him tomorrow that my dog is a good dog, and she's very good. I'm just going to tell him my dog's fully grown, so he doesn't think she's going to get bigger, and then he has to say yes, because he said only little dogs. But if he thinks my dog's going to grow more, he might say no. So I'm just going to say, oh no, my dog's fully grown. Okay guys, check this trade. We're trying to hold above this EMA. Yeah, Gary, listen. I posted such a beautiful picture on my Instagram of this morning waking up outside. It's beautiful where I live. In the summer even. It's green, 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 green. Quiet, waterfalls. It's just so peaceful, bro. Come on, NQ. Do you see why I say it's not over until it's over? I almost hit my stop loss, guys. But because my stop loss was in a good position, I'm safe. Now we're about to come back into profit. You need to understand where to place your stop loss. It's very important. It's actually, I believe, guys, stop loss placement is the most important part of trading. Like one of the most important. Like I always say to someone, like, before entering a trade, always ask yourself, where's that stop loss going to go? It's the first thing, because you need to become obsessed with the risk management side of things to do well. That's what I believe. Your stop loss needs to make sense. Sometimes I might exit early, like, you know, but in a situation like today, I know we're bullish. It's just about continuing that trend higher. There we go. We're back in profit, guys. And yeah, I don't want to see price go below the previous 15-minute low. What's my Instagram? You're gonna have to find it. I'm not. It's not. I don't want to have a whole bunch of strangers just start seeing my life. I won't lie. It's just very personal. If you find it, you find it. It's not a private Instagram, but if you find it, you find it. Yeah, I'm not wanting to shout my Instagram out, guys. I won't lie. Damn, I should have gone long again at 9:59. Yeah, it's alright, bro. There's always another trade. Watching me from Uruguay. What the fuck? That's crazy, bro. You're the first Uruguayan. Uruguayan? Is that how you said it? I don't know. You're the first Uruguay trader that I've ever think has come on my stream, dude. That's crazy. I have traders watching from everywhere. South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, India, Canada, America, all over Europe. South America, this is a first. Unless there's somebody else on here from South America, I don't know. You should, yeah, that's crazy. Just hit, you must subscribe, bro. I'm live every day. I got to get the red light glasses. Yeah, they're cool, man. Okay, okay, tell me right now, everybody watching, where are you from? Where are you from? So we got Brazil, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, that's America. So guys, where are you from? Come on, everybody tell me where you're from. So we have South Americans, right? We got a Brazilian. That's actually fuck. I really want to go to Brazil. Uruguay, Louisiana, Romania. Ukraine, Montreal, Quebec. Where is Montreal, Quebec? Bali. Oh man, I love Bali. Fuck, I want to go back so bad. Queensland. At what point do you move your stop to break even? I'm watching from Houston, Texas. I'll go break even. Only if I take partials. I'll go break even. I don't know. Usually like a 1-to-1. It all depends on volume. If volume is like really volatile, I'll go break even like after like a 1-to-1. It just depends how I feel. Guys, I don't have like a set rule of when I go break even. I just go break even when I'm feeling like, I don't know. It's just all how I feel, I guess. Romania, New Zealand. Yo, that's crazy. How did I say this? Nicaragua. I know that name, I just don't know how to say it. Like, that's also, Nicaragua is also South American, no? Or did I just fucking look like an idiot and get that completely wrong? Nicaragua. Alright guys, I don't know. I'm tempted to add into this position now. It looks like we're about to have a 5-minute inside bar. If I go to the 15-minute quick. Look at this. Remember what I said to you guys just now. Okay? And go back for the people that didn't see what I said. I said in the beginning of the stream, if you want a safer entry into this long, wait for a 15-minute bullish closure. There we go. We had it. Now you need to wait for this candle's high to break and you can enter that. There you go. It's simple, isn't it? Huh? Nigeria. Huh. The only reason I'm not going to enter this trade, guys, is just based off the fact of this range. It's a bit risky. There's no need to add. I'm not greedy. I've fucking been sitting here patiently for a while now, so just continue that. But damn, we're up $100. You see, guys, trading, you just need to be calm. Have a strategy like mine that is so simple, so effective. A strategy that you don't need, you don't need to think much about, and you stay calm and just let it do what it's got to do. I promise you, that's how you do well in trading. Okay, guys, seriously, who's in this trade? Who is in this trade? Who entered with me and who is still in with this with me? I know some of you did copy my trade, but we don't care if you copied, right? You can copy if you want. But I'm just out of curiosity, who hold this drawdown with me? What exactly is my strategy, by the way? You'll need to watch every single day, bro. My strategy is the world's most simple and effective trading strategy to ever exist in trading. I promise you that. I didn't think so many guys, girls and guys, would have so much success off the strategy. Like when I started streaming, it is actually crazy. If we break above this area, guys, let me show you. If we break above this area and close, I think we're gonna run. I think we're gonna run. I'm looking at the 5 minute right now. Yeah. There we go. Come on. Come on, NQ. The 1 hour, 30 minute and 50 minute chart is bullish. Exactly. Exactly. That's why I'm buying. This is why I am buying. Well, I keep every day I have to keep saying the same thing to everybody. If your daily bias is bullish, you've got to sell. I mean, sorry. I need to just no, ignore what I said. If your daily bias is bullish, you just got to buy. Never sell when your daily bias is bullish. Remember something. Listen carefully what I'm going to say. And I'm going to teach you, I'm going to give you a little gem. Okay? I'm going to give you guys a little gem right now, but as NQ. I've been trading Nasdaq for 4 years full time. Okay, 4 years. Nasdaq, NQ, whatever you want to call it, is built to go up. Nasdaq is holding America's top 100 companies. Nasdaq is a bullish asset, okay? Yes, you can make money selling it. I've done it many times, but if your daily bias is bullish, you just need to fucking buy. Trust me. Nasdaq is a bullish market. It's been built to go higher. Do you know what? If you think I'm talking shit, let's look at the weekly time frame. Actually, no, not even. Let's go higher. Monthly. Oh, I can't even show you. I don't know why it doesn't allow me to check. This is the monthly time frame. We just got up. We got up. Yes, we have minor pullbacks, but the pullbacks last very short and it just continues going up. So with that being said, yes, Nasdaq is built to go higher. This is what this market's for. Okay, so like I said, yes, we can make money on the shorts, but if your bias is bullish for the day, just buy. That's the trick I can tell you. Do I teach? I do, yes. I don't see you very active lately. I was in Ibiza last week, so I missed 2 streams. Yeah, but I'm back at home. I'm in my office, so this next 2 months, or whatever, 2-3 months, I'm going to be very, very, very active. Very active. I'm actually also streaming privately now. Every pre-New York session. Well, it's going to change, but today I'm starting today. Actually, I'm doing private streaming as well now, where it's all about growing together and just creating a relationship together and learning of one another. But it's very cool. Like it's going to be streaming where we can talk over a call. It's not going to be texting, you know. Where, for example, you guys can talk with me, break down your trades. You know, we can bounce ideas off each other, because that's where you really learn, like really, really learn. And just have a laugh, you know. Some days crack open a beer. But man, let me tell you guys, holding that trade was so worth it. You're correct. All of my fellow Americans are tied to NQ. All retirement funds buy monthly, no matter what the price. Yeah, exactly. It doesn't matter what the fucking price is on NQ. Like, if you really want to invest in a long-term, whatever, fucking Nasdaq is the one. People all talk about Bitcoin. Fucking, I don't get it, because imagine buying Nasdaq in 2010. Imagine buying a shit ton. Imagine investing so much money in Nasdaq in 2010. How much money you would have right now if you were still holding that. Do you know what I mean? I wish when I started trading 7 years ago, 8 years ago, I invested into it. Like, I wish. That's my biggest regret, I think, in trading, is not investing into it. How do I do? Gary, just text me on Instagram, brother. Just text me on Instagram, bro. Just text me on Instagram, bro. But you have to be fucking serious, okay? You have to be serious. Like, it's a special thing I'm doing. You need to be very, very serious. I just want to say big apologies, guys, if my stream is lagging a bit. I'm just getting a notification saying All right, yeah, okay, Gary. I'll send you a mail. But listen, there's nothing worse than when you guys, and I'm not saying this is you guys, but there's nothing worse when I'm trying to build something and I have a lot of people that waste my time when I'm doing it. I've been so transparent and giving to everybody, and there's nothing worse than what all I'm trying to do is just fucking give you guys the best knowledge and information out there, and my time gets wasted. It's so frustrating, I will be honest. It's happened recently with somebody, and just, yeah, if you want to, you know, be here every day, show up every day, put in the work, be here, because yeah. Like, there is a few people on the stream that are so hungry. Like, I know who these people are, and it reminds me so much of myself, like when I was trading. They remind me so much of myself when I started trading, and fuck, I love it. And it's the guys that are so hungry that, like, I promise you, there's guys that are still showing up every single day here on stream. They don't even need to be here because they're really good enough to trade by themselves. It's that dedication, it's the passion, it's the drive that is going to take them places. $30,000 will be the level of NQ that we need to keep. Yeah, let's see. What do you get if you're hungry? I'll just get like a burger or something, dude. 15 years I've been looking at these charts. Exactly, Gary, that's crazy. That's, you see, it's that type of passion, like 15 years. If you don't mind me asking, Gary, are you profitable? Are you still like, how would you define yourself as a trader? Do you feel like there's still things you can work on? Are you unprofitable? First time, yeah. I start streaming every single day at 10:30 Paris time. 10:30 a.m. Paris time. Oh, guys, beautiful pullback in. Ready to take. Oh, nice, bro. Fuck, super cool. That's amazing, bro. Congrats on the payout. Yeah. Price is in such a shitty range. Yeah. Another little tip I can tell you guys, stop going break even so soon in your trading. Seriously, guys, stop going break even so soon in your trading. Guys, break even is a profitability killer. Break even trading is going to hold you back so much. Yeah, 30,000. Very price will definitely, guys. NQ will definitely hit the 30k level. I know a lot of you are saying it'll happen. It'll happen today, easy. It's like over here, right? It's not even far. It's like a few points away. Oh, there's 70 beautiful people on the stream. Guys, if you've just joined and you've never seen me before on YouTube, do yourself a favor and just subscribe right now and hit that like button. It's nice to see a lot of you guys are coming back, because yeah, I did go quite quiet for a little bit, but we back, guys. We're here to make money, and I'm fucking so locked in. I said to myself the other day, I need $100,000, guys. I'm gonna make it, because I've spent so much money this last 2 months and lost money. So I need to lock in now, make my money back, and I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. And I'm trading Thunderproof Futures, guys. Is the only prop firm I'm currently trading, and I'm trading a personal account. How long it took me to become profitable? 3.5. Okay, no, I'm lying. 4 years. Four and a half years, probably around there. To become really profitable, like 5 years. So it's been the last 3 years is I've been trading. I've been trading full time for the last 3 years now. I've been a full-time trader for 3 years. And let me tell you, it's been amazing. I will never, ever, ever. It's crazy. And you know what? When people say it, like, once you have the skill, you'll never, ever lose it again. It's so true. Because I've been doing this for 3 years. I've never lost my skill. And I'll never in my life have to ever work a 9 to 5 again. Like, I'm so grateful I didn't give up. I'm so grateful I simplified trading the way I did. I'm so grateful I'm patient. I'm so grateful I'm obsessed with my risk management, because it's things like that that have brought me to this point. And until some of you guys realize you need to be obsessed with your risk management, you need to simplify trading, stay calm. It's those things that are going to really take you to another level of trading. I promise you. Majority of you guys are held back from trading due to over trading, panic, doubt, fear, over risking, like it's and greed. It's these things that are holding all of you back. And when you are trading prop firms and you haven't mastered those things, you are going to struggle. Okay, prop firms, guys, they are fantastic tools to use to make a lot of money with a little money. Okay, they are. This is why I still trade them. I mainly trade a personal account, a futures account as well, but I love Thunderproof Futures, okay? But if you're trying to build capital, this is where future firms like Thunderproof Futures are a great thing to use, right? But there are a lot of rules in them, challenges, all of these other things that you need to follow, which plays against your psychology, okay? So if you can master that, I wouldn't say master, but if you can come good at playing against those rules or playing with them, if ever you decide to go to a personal account one day, you will do so well. You'll make so much money. So you guys, honestly, fix your bad habits today. Fix your patience today. Fix your greed. Just fix everything today. Today is the day you can become a profitable trader. You just need to do it today. Not like, oh, I'm gonna work on it, blah blah. It's a mental mindset change. You need to just do it. Do you know what I mean? You need to just do it. Like, you love the way I trade. I appreciate it, and I think a lot of you guys like the way I trade because you just probably see how calm I am, how easy it is, and I think that's why a lot of you guys can relate to it and you enjoy it because it somewhat resonates with you. But yeah, watch my stream every day and you will learn so much through me, like really. The most difficult way to make easy money. That is correct, Gary. Yeah, that's correct. Trading is the most difficult way to make the easiest money. Some days as well, we're going to lose money, huh? It's just about how do you handle those days, you know? That takes practice. You know, I'm very transparent. I'm honest, guys. I'm not a pitch perfect trader. I still some days might take a stupid trade and then have FOMO. You know, I can still fuck up, okay? But what I'm good at compared to some of you guys is that when I'm about to fuck up, my brain has become strong enough to understand to walk away from that, right? Because I understand that tomorrow's another day, you know, and I will and there's a 100% chance I will make back that loss or that fuck up. So yeah, man, you need to really just start being honest with yourself. And if it's something that you really want to do well in, you need to write on paper, what is it that's holding you back? Everyone has something different. Some of you have got the same thing. What was holding me back for 4.5 years was the panic, the rush to have to make money, the greed, because I was so desperate to leave my job. So I was rushing the process, over risking, like losing, and that was my problem. The minute I said to myself, Cam, let's just step back a bit, things became a bit easier. I was then able to focus on my risk management. You guys can't focus on your risk management if you're trying to rush your process. How are you going to do that? How are you going to focus on your risk, right, if you are trying to rush your process to become profitable? You can't. You have so much pressure already trying to be profitable that you can't even focus on your risk management. You can't even focus on your patience. You can't even focus on simplifying your strategy because you're so desperate to make $1 million, right? So just be calm. Like, come in front of your computer, smile, and just be calm. Like, enjoy it. Fall in love with the art of the trading. And the art of trading is not just the strategy, it's the whole emotional side you bring to that computer screen every single day. It's an art. It's an art to be calm. It's an art to be patient. It's an art to manage your risk. It's an art just to stop being greedy. The strategy is the easiest part of trading. It's like you guys can all learn my, like a lot of you know it, but you can learn my strategy in like 2 days. Every day I'm still working on my risk management. That you don't stop working on. You can't stop working on risk management. You can't stop working on your psychology. That has to be worked on every single day. It's not just like a one-time thing. Ooh, light bulb moment. No, it's really not. I'm telling you right now. There's not such thing as a light bulb moment in trading. If you've heard that before, that's bullshit. There's no light bulb moment in trading. Okay? It's I don't know where that theory came from. The moment that you have in trading is when you start realizing that the shit is like all in the head. It's all in your head. Like, anyways, I love you all so much. That's why I'm telling you this information. The information I just told you is more valuable than any strategy out there. And yes, it's boring, but man, I can talk psychology all day long because it's my favorite thing to talk about. I'm obsessed with it. Do I trade every day? I do, yeah. But like some days I don't like. I trade. I stream every day, so yeah, I trade every day. Like, I won't lie. This trade is just not it. The price action is really bad, guys. Like today, maybe I've got a private. I'm doing my private streaming pre-New York, so maybe we get a good trade there on that stream. Maybe we start breaking out. By the way, guys, this 200k account that I'm trading right now, I've already requested $20,000 out of it. Just one. The power of these Funder Pro accounts are mad. Sorry, did you say Paris? Yeah, Paris time. Guys, I'm trading live every single day 10:30 to 12 o'clock Paris time. For me, it's 3 things. Take your setup, take all opportunities, constant, and the same risk management on all trades. Yeah, I mean, I don't use the same risk management on all trades. Like, if my daily bias is really like, if I'm feeling good, guys, about a trade, I'm going to size up. Okay, that's another thing as well. Guys, scared money isn't going to make money. Only risk, okay, what you prepared to lose that day. Like, I'm only using 50 micros right now. If this was an A plus setup, for example, if I had like a 15-minute inside bar break, I would probably go in with 20 to 25 micros. So I've scaled down now because this is not an A plus. So that's the risk management I'm pairing with the strategy. Sherwood, I love you so much, brother. Really. I fucking love you, dude. What happened to my voice? Yeah, guys, I'm sick. I'm really sick, guys. I've lost my voice. My chest and my throat is just messed up right now. I got sick after my holiday in Ibiza. FX Leah, yeah. I'm glad that what I'm saying you can resonate with it a bit. Take your time. He's not lying. Risk management and discipline. Currently taking my 4th and 3rd payout on 2 accounts. Yeah, man. No, I don't live in Tonon, bro. I didn't live in Tonon. I live near Tonon. I live in Morzine, bro. Morzine, but I'm moving in 3 months to another village, but still in the Porto Soleil area. I agree. CAMSORBET is your private channel. Yeah, but I'm not streaming on my private YouTube channel. The private streaming I'm doing is going to be through Zoom, because I want to be able to talk to you guys, you know, not just on chat. And what it's going to be, I'm doing a 60-day thing where we're going to get on Zoom every single day, stream together, trade together, we can share charts, we can talk like a little group. And then next year, February, April, I'm inviting those guys to come and ski with me for a week, like a trading retreat. That's what I'm doing. And the craziest part is, I'm paying that. There's no fee to that. It's because I love them so much. What the fuck is this, guys? I'm so sorry. As I'm talking about this trading ski retreat I want to do, fucking price is dropping like fuck. Yeah, well guys, I don't know, not looking good. This is a lot of volume lower. Is what it is. I can't cry about it. Mimi, I just checked your message now, bro. I'll have a check. Yeah, that's interesting. That is interesting. Yeah, I'll have a look into that, bro. I appreciate that. Yeah, Dan, yeah, I'm just reading a message now. Sorry, I was just reading a message. Yeah, dude, honestly, this price action is horrible. Maybe when we jump on that pre-New York, we might break out. That's why I need us to wait for the breakout. No, I'm not stressed, bro. I'm not stressed. Hot spot works. No, I'm not. Yeah, sorry, getting back to Dan. Yeah, Dan, on our pre-New York session together, we're gonna do today. We're gonna see, but look how choppy this is. It's crazy. It's like literally untradeable. Price should have already taken off. Something that I am aware of right now is that we have made these two equal highs up here that I know price can come and take. You know, so let's see. I'm gonna just hold this, to be honest. It is what it is, huh? Let's see. But I think it's gonna stop me. But guys, that's me for the session. I'm gonna jump off. Yeah, this is an L trade. I'm just gonna close this, man.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's me out, guys. That's a loss for me. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like before exiting the stream. I love you all so much. Thank you for being here. I'm live tomorrow at the same time at 10:30 Paris time. And for the guys that are joining me on the pre-New York session stream, let's hope we get better movement than this shit, because this is horrible. Anyways, I love you all so much. Once again, thank you for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.